up, Elco family? Welcome back to another vlog, vlog 35. I've done 35 of these things now. I know I say it every week, but it's still crazier and crazier every single time. And this week, there's a lot more in store. I picked up some new projects, found out a couple other issues with the Ford, and created some new issues. Like I said at the end of the last video, you'd know if you watched it. And yeah, some super cool news towards the end of the video too. Have to watch the video to see that. But before we get into it, ain't nobody grabbed no merch yet. Gotta go get some of those, man. And the car shows are coming up real soon, and I want to see some people out in my merch when I pop out. Keep your eyes peeled also, because I'm dropping a limited edition track shirt that'll be dropping here around the time I make it to the track. So keep your eyes peeled. But let's get into this week's video. All right, after a job well done, I got these two things today too. Apparently I like to restore everything vintage now, so I'm gonna go with these vintage fans. This one about blew up the house a second ago. So needs a whole new wire put on. And then this one didn't blow up the house, but didn't run. So some more projects. What's up, y'all? So it's raining out, so we're inside today, and I got these fans yesterday, so I'm about to clean them up and see if we can, I guess today, just make them look better. Also got one of these. I'm sure I'll find the other one in the next few days, so clean that up, see if we can't get that on the tractor too.
What the hell is even that?
I guess we'll see if it'll explode.
Oh, it's gonna fucking blow! It's gonna fucking blow!
Ooh, it turned on, I heard it. And it's spinning. So far, so good. And the swivel works. That's cool. That's cool. Still gotta throw on the base plate, but I'm excited. Wired up, plugged in, put back together. Medium and low. And the swivel works. I'll be so honest, I thought these were gonna be a lot harder to get running again, but look at that shit. These are so cool. Let me know in the comments, what do y'all think? Should I just give them black paint job, or leave them rusty and rustic looking? Cause I'm thinking that one's gonna get a whole restoration along with this one, because she's a little dusty.
Tomorrow.
So, back at it. Yesterday, I didn't put the fuel pump on all together the right way, so I just took it back all apart and put it on the right way after I learned the right way. So let's jump this one more time and see if she's gonna fire up, if the fuel pump's gonna actually work today. And we got a fuel leak again. I don't get it. Just put a brand new gasket, cleared it all off, still got a leak. Yeah, look at that. Straight up leaking right out of the top. Alright, now I'm just assuming I got something gunked up, like the main jet or something, so I'm going to take it apart, clean it up, and then got a little surprise. Got these little fittings here. You'll see what happens. I think it's going to be kind of cool. Y'all should like it. So, yeah, let me get that carb apart, go clean that up, and be right back. Well, apparently I'm out of carb cleaner, and I don't know. I just kind of messed with the jet, and it didn't seem like anything was really a problem. But I'm still not getting it to start unless I pour some fuel down the carb. So that's an issue. I'm not sure why I'm not getting fuel. I've taken the carb apart multiple times now, and still not there. So, oof. Give me a minute. I'm gonna have to whip up another plan. All right, I got gas down the carb. I'm gonna jump it again and watch. Well, yeah, as soon as I try and hit the gas a little bit to try and clear that jet out, nothing. So It's got to be the issue because everything else is there. I got gas here. I got gas in the float or up under the float. And I'm just not getting it the rest of the way through. See? Got plenty of fuel as soon as you fucking pop it open. I don't understand why I'm not getting that fuel through to the carb. Kind of sick about it. All right, I think that might have done it. It felt like something cleared out. So I'm gonna go put it back together. Fingers crossed, let's make this shit happen. All right, looking like it's gonna be a wrap for the day. Didn't get much further. Carburetor still up somewhere. And it's not getting fuel into where it needs to once we get going. If I fill up here, like I said, she'll start running, good to go. So probably just that main jet or something. I'm gonna have to figure that out. But in the meantime, I threw on that nice little piece. And I think once I get it all squared away, I'll actually shorten it up a little bit so it's not so long. But you know me, it gets there, steps at a time.
What the f***, y'all? God damn!
Well, I tried to come be a hero and fix this in the fucking cold because I thought I fixed the carburetor. Guess who did not fix the carburetor? And now I have completely ruined my starter for the Ford mower. And wow, look at that. Totally just ruined the starter. So, yet another thing I'm gonna have to fix. Alright, with that, I am going to take a big ass fat L and go back in the house and let my bank account cry about it and order something new for this damn thing. Honestly, I don't know how long it's going to be before each of them are pretty good. Because every time I get a little bit further, I'm taking like 3 steps back. To go right along with all the old shit, got these old gas tanks that are pretty cool looking too. Probably repaint all of them, but I don't know. They look pretty vintage the way they're sitting. Or else I'm gonna have to go back and repaint all that shit. So maybe they'll just get a super cleanup like the rest of the stuff.
The next day.
Michigan surprised us with another 50-degree day, so you know I had to take the Elco out again just to go shoot last week's intro.
You can do it!
Come on, baby. I know it ain't that cold. It was 20 degrees out this morning. The sun just went away, but you hear what's back here? I'm gonna go take a little cruise today. It always feels so nice to hop in the whip. But it's a little chillier out today, and she's got a hell of a stumble now, so I have to address that in the next couple days before we go to the track because yeah, she's not doing very hot.
Nice. Rack them up. Right. Nice. Type shit we
10
been
stacks,
doing.
I drive the 8-ball, 1 shot. This thing of ours got me driving sports cars 200 miles per hour. Parked outside a 5-star hotel lobbies. Drunk models leaving the bar, legs all wobbly. Bitch, choose before you lose, get a chance at excitement. This how life get when you pilot with the owners, the ones who set prices. Bringing that green sticky cactus to your cipher. I won't pass it, don't even bother asking. This for my jet life.
The last few days of that super humid shit made everything in here rusty as balls.
Hey, yo, what the?
I'm gonna have to go through and clean that up when I get back home. All right, mission passed, made it to the house. Came back while she was warm, tuned everything up, and now she's snapping a lot better than she was just a little bit ago on the road. Probably have to change it when it turns 70 out again anyway, but it is what it is. Ended up getting cold again, so decided to clean up the yard and have a bonfire for the weekend. Hell yeah, helping the neighbor out. I got a replacement grill to clean up for the Ford mower. Got every fucking part possible in here in another bag, or another box for the Ford mower and the Montgomery. Got new carburetor, new everything again, so super hyped. Well, unfortunately, I didn't record a lot of this today because I was on the phone with some family members. But look at this, man. Got the heater hooked up, trying to hide all the little lines for the propane tank. I'll get that taken care of in a little bit because I got to unhook it. But yeah, I got some parts coming in today. Hopefully they'll be here in the next couple hours. And yeah, it's warm in here so I can get some work done because it's snowing outside again. What's up, Elco family? I finally got my first part sponsor, and I could not be more excited about it. Huge shout out to GSTP Auto Parts. Boy, if you want to go straight to the source, call them. They got good prices, and you don't got to buy from everybody else with that crazy markup on everything. So, got the package here. Let's pop into it. So here, I just got a new battery tie down because the one I got was just like the cheapest one you could probably grab over at O'Reilly's or something. And I figured, you know, oh, hell yeah. A little bit of chrome on there would look much better. So yeah, let's pop into the main thing that I was hoping to get over here. Oh, I'm super excited about this. I've been having throttle issues on my carb that I just installed on the Elco, and this should hopefully fix that. And oh man, woo! See, you hear that? That's heavy duty. That's pretty nice. Packaging's pretty good. Can't complain about the packaging. But oh yeah, this is gonna look great on the side of my carb. Perfect finish. Looks bomb. With those all opened up and checked out, another huge thanks to GSTP Auto Parts. These are gonna make the Elco look so much better and run even better than the little crappy bracket that's on there. And everything came out flawless. Good quality, super excited to get them put on. Stop over there, make sure you tell them Uncle G sent you. Let's get outside and go put them on the Elco right now. Start off with the easy one and throw on that battery tie down. First things first, disconnect the battery cables and remove that battery. Depending on your vehicle, you might have to drill a hole over here to put these on just to get those tie downs to the seat, but easy fix. Now I've got this goofy carrying strap on the battery. You can remove that. I probably will later just because this aluminum looks so good, but then you just want to come around, get them set right to where you want them on the battery. And now I can come back and set where I want to shorten these posts down to so they're not 10 foot long. And I got a sexy, sexy battery tie down. Next up, this old dusty bracket that will not stay tight no matter what I do to it. Let's get this air cleaner off and the spacers that are underneath. And just for extra measure, throw this cap on so we don't get nothing down the carb. See, every time this comes loose, this bracket slides all the way in like this. And that's not good. A little bit of fine tuning, and then we'll have to fire it up to see how it's actually gonna work. Alright, got that bad boy on there looking good. I need some new wires for the batteries really bad though. But that looks bomb. And then slide over here. Ooh, that bad boy looks crispy. Time for a startup. haven't taken it out yet, but that made a world of a difference already. And this looks damn good too. I am super hyped. Shout out to GSTP Auto Parts again. Go check them out. Super hype. Love the quality. Yeah, go get them. They were all at good prices too. You might as well make your old school look pretty clean, man. That shit looks cool. Just like that, another week down. Don't forget to like and subscribe. New videos dropping every week. Daily posts on Instagram and TikTok. And drop a comment. Let me know what you want to see done to the El Camino.
Peace.